Hey, welcome to the Bitcoin Bull. Today we're gonna see what Bitcoin is doing. Slowly picking up the last 3 days. Bitcoin has slowly been going up, but we're still on the floor. And there's really not any news about Bitcoin today. I normally like to take a look at what Bitcoin is doing today, then look at some news, good news or bad news, and then see what Bitcoin will be doing in the next several days, weeks, and months from now. But there's really no news going on. This is like silence before the storm. I have a feeling there's yeah, not very much going on with Bitcoin. No one talking bad about it or good about it. Just a few articles like people's opinions. Um, so let's take a closer look at Bitcoin. Yesterday we were talking about this diamond formation and what that signifies. This diamond formation here, and that means that Bitcoin should go up, which is what it did. That it broke out of this resistance here and went into this channel here. This channel here, it was supposed to be bullish and start going up, doing something like I said. It would do something like this. It would hit here, then it would drop down and hit here, and then it should have gone up like this and started working its way up. And I said yesterday that Bitcoin will most likely not break out of the channel going up. It would most likely, once it would break out, it would probably break below. And that's what it did. Now it's about to get back in again. But yeah, it's already out of this triangle formation. So I'm going to get rid of it. Here, let's blow this up so you can see it better. So let's go in the middle here. And now what it's doing is it's basically making the same shape. Here, let me clean this up some. It's repeating the same shape as yesterday. It's making another diamond formation. So we're basically in the same situation as yesterday. So I won't go into full detail of what this diamond shape means, because if you want to know about that, you can just watch yesterday's video. You can see, but as you can see, it's doing the same formation here. So yesterday it was making a formation like this, right? This diamond, which means that Bitcoin should go up. Now it's doing the same thing. Bam, 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 and bam. Doing the same thing. So Bitcoin is more likely to go up today than down. But not to go into full detail, just watch yesterday's video if you're interested to hear more information about that. And also the video before that, the day before yesterday, I did like a 20-minute video explaining of what Bitcoin, the Bitcoin situation right now and what it should be doing in the next weeks and months from now. So if you want to see that also, I won't go into, so I don't have to repeat myself, because there's people that watch my videos every day, and I don't want to have to repeat myself. So if you're interested in that, take a look at that. And basically today, same situation as yesterday. We're just walking along the floor here. Bitcoin's just keeps hitting this floor, bouncing off of it. And this is clearly the floor here. This orange support line here, this is clearly the the floor. Everyone that has Bitcoins below here, these are all holders. Bitcoin is not dropping below here. Everyone's holding. And so I think Bitcoin will just keep on doing this for the next several days, or maybe in the whole week. Just keep on bouncing off here, bouncing off the ground until there's some type of news. Today there's no news about Bitcoin until some news comes out, whether it's good or whether it's bad. Like, here, let's zoom out for a minute. Like, for example, when we were here, let me center this. When we were here, Elon Musk was talking bad about Bitcoin. He was attacking Bitcoin, trying to make Bitcoin drop, I guess, to buy back in. And also, and also China was talking bad about Bitcoin, made the Bitcoin price drop even more. They're kicking all the miners out of their country, making Bitcoin mining illegal. And now no one's talking about Bitcoin, not even good, not even bad. And so as soon as a news article comes out, either talking bad about Bitcoin, like like whatever, Bitcoin just got hacked, or another country, a big country, like I don't know, like Russia is going to prohibit Bitcoin or something like that, some type of news, negative news about Bitcoin, then that would make Bitcoin drop from here, hit this support line here, and if Bitcoin hits the support line, this is kind of a weak support line. I think if it hits here, it'll end up dropping down here to 29,000. So that's one possibility. But I see more possibilities of there being good news and Bitcoin going up. Bitcoin going up, hitting this tendency line here. And then once it breaks that tendency line, then we'll work our way up and start hitting all these resistance lines here. Just keep on hitting those and working its way up. Do something like, like this. Start working its way up, zigzagging up, hit this, maybe do a little pullback before it goes back up again. Hit it here, do a pullback, maybe hit it again, something like this, if there's good news about Bitcoin. So it's going to be on the floor until someone talks good or bad about Bitcoin. So we'll have to be patient, we'll have to see. It could happen in an hour from now, it can happen in a week from now. Who knows? Elon Musk has been really quiet lately. He was talking bad about Bitcoin here, but lately he hasn't said anything. And he has an important meeting with a big Bitcoin player, Jack Dorsey. It's in a couple days from now. They have a meeting that they're going to talk about Bitcoin. And I have a feeling that they're going to talk good about it because they're talking bad about it here to make it drop so that they can buy more, I imagine. And I would imagine they don't want Bitcoin to drop anymore because they invested a lot of money into Bitcoin. Like Elon Musk, personally, he hasn't said how much, but personally he has. And one of his companies, Tesla, they have invested in a lot of Bitcoin. And so I imagine they don't want Bitcoin to drop any farther. So I imagine they'll talk good about Bitcoin, which will make Bitcoin go up. Because Elon Musk, when he talks good about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, it affects the price. So I think this will make Bitcoin go up. And any other type of news, China shouldn't be talking about Bitcoin. I don't know who else would talk bad about Bitcoin. So yeah, we just have to wait. I'll be keeping a close eye on the news. And as soon as good news or bad news comes out, like within an hour, Bitcoin will either shoot up or fall down. Until then, we're just going to be doing this. So if you're interested in buying some more Bitcoin, if you already have some, now is still a good time to buy because we're on the floor. This is clearly the floor. But you might want to save some money in case Bitcoin does drop some more. And like I was saying yesterday, if Bitcoin does drop all the way to the second support here, I don't think it will last too long. It might do something like leave like a quick wick down like this, for a few hours, make this big drop and then shoot back up again. That's I think most likely might happen if Bitcoin does drop, but we'll see. Yeah, at the moment, Bitcoin is just hanging out, just taking a stroll along the floor here, along this support line. And yeah, as soon as I hear any big news, I'll let you know because I think it will affect the Bitcoin price. So that's it for now. That's no more news. Hold, be patient. If you can buy more Bitcoin, try to buy some more. That's my opinion. Do what you think is best. Do research but my opinion is that Bitcoin, this is a floor and still a very good time to buy, a very good price, because in several months from now, you can very easily be anywhere in here. Very, very likely. So hope you enjoyed the video. If so, if you can give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that because that will help grow the channel. And hit the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date every day on what Bitcoin is doing, what it should be doing. and if there's any important Bitcoin news. So that's it. See you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.